Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to continue from my past video, which was why you should start a business in 2021, with the types of businesses that you should start in 2021. We are pretty much halfway through the year, so we still have some time for you to get some businesses started and running. And all of the ones that I'm going to mention today are pretty much very affordable, if not free to start, and they are all based online mainly, so there's nothing that you have to do outside of your home. Pretty much all of the businesses that I'm going to mention can be set up from behind your computer screen or your laptop or even on your phone. So before we get into the video, I just want to mention that my course is now live, How to Start a Product Business from Scratch. Check out the details in the description box below. Also, I have a free book that is going to teach you all about building a product business and my experience building a brand. So definitely check out that free ebook. The link for that is down below, and let's just get straight into the video. So online business number one is, of course, I'm an expert on this, so I'm going to mention product businesses. Now, there are different types of products that you can go for. I mean, the most affordable, I feel like, and the target audience that I have, you'll probably want to go down the beauty route. So you can go for lashes, lip gloss, makeup, hair products, hair accessories, hair tools. Those are very affordable products that you can buy in bulk and sell on, and pretty much a great niche to sell to. Everyone likes to buy beauty and skincare and self-care products, so they do quite well. And you can pretty much start your business with £500 or more, depending on what product you're buying and how many units you want to purchase. I usually like to buy tools and stuff like that from China because it's way more affordable, but it also means that you have to buy in higher quantities, which is why I kind of gauge about £500 should be a good budget for you to start that type of product business. But again, it all depends on the type of product. You could find something that is even lower than £500, which is brilliant, but I'd say a good starting point of £500 would be good for you to invest in your product business. So you can do this in multiple ways. You can actually buy the products, have them stocked at home or in a warehouse or in a rented room that you just rent out that little unit and put all of your stock in there, and then you sell via a Shopify store or an Etsy, eBay, or even Amazon, which I've mentioned in past videos. Or you can do another thing called drop shipping, and that is when you don't hold any stock. The stock is held by the supplier, and then whenever someone orders via your website, you then ask the supplier to send it to the customer. So it pretty much works all behind the scenes without you having to actually ship out the product, which makes things way easier. But again, it depends on your business model, what you actually enjoy doing. I really like having physical products to hand, but if I wanted to make extra money, I am considering doing drop shipping, not for my brand, but just another way to bring in some income. So if you're not interested in starting a brand or building a legacy or something that you really want to be proud of that is yours, you can go into drop shipping and just sell whatever is popular at the moment on Amazon or just in the e-com sector and start a business that way. A lot of people that have side hustles do drop shipping too. It's just a great way to bring in income without doing much of the physical work. The next type of online business is coaching. Now, that's something that I now offer. So if you are interested in learning from me one-on-one or within a group setting, I now have my Boss Up group, which is a mentoring group. There are a group of like-minded entrepreneurs that are in different stages of their business journey, but could really do with some guidance and pointers from me. And what we do is within the month, I get everyone to share a goal they want to achieve by the end of the month, and I help them get there. And as a group, we share accountability, we share tips and tricks, and then I do a monthly group call on Zoom, and we just do a Q&A session. It's very intimate. If they have any tips or real targeted advice to their business that they need, I will answer that and help them as much as possible to reach their goals. Or you have the option of a one-on-one with me where I get on a Zoom call with you and we really map out the steps that I think you should take to improve your sales, to improve your store, to start your business, anything that you're interested to do with online businesses or product businesses. I'm here to help you. So coaching is really good if you have something that you are an expert in, or something you have experience in or passionate about, and you feel like you could help others. It doesn't matter the sector. You could be a dating coach, you could be a pet coach, you could be like me, a business coach. So it really depends what you're interested in and what your niche is, and you simply offer your services by helping others and they pay you to help them reach a certain goal. Now, to get clients, you can use free ways like social media to simply market your services, market your expertise, share some of your experience, share some tips for free, and then hopefully it will lead on to them paying for your services because they want to learn more from you. Another way to market is to actually DM and reach out to people that you think would be your perfect client and offer them a discount on your first coaching session, which is what I did with my group coaching session. I reached out to a few entrepreneurs that I'd really like to work with and I think would have benefited from the group, and I offered them a discount on their first month just because I wanted to start up the group and get some testimonials in. So if you are interested in joining the group or one-on-ones, definitely send me a DM on Instagram or email me at ukcurlygirl@gmail.com. The third business is digital products, which is something that is again free to make. The only thing that you would have to pay for is the website that you're selling them on. However, you could work your way around this and just host it on a free website, like maybe Big Cartel. I'm not sure if they do digital products, but you could somehow cheat the system and find a way to sell for free. But I would recommend paying for something like Squarespace or Shopify to host your digital product. Digital products consist of ebooks, workbooks, worksheets, printables, digital art, digital prints, digital quotes that people can download that they want to use on their wall or on their wallpaper or their screensaver. Anything that is completely digital for someone to simply purchase online and then they download it to their computer or their phone. Online business number 4 is affiliate marketing and becoming an influencer, which is something that I am also. I am a curly hair influencer blogger, which is how I started my online business in the first place. I started off as a blogger. So you could start up a YouTube channel and make money from YouTube adverts. You can get money from sponsorships. Once your page or your brand is more established, brands will reach out to you, or you can pitch yourself to brands for them to pay you to talk about their product, to use their product in your videos and your content. You can build up your Instagram page, your TikTok, any social media channel, and gain some income that way via affiliate marketing. So if you talk about a certain product in your content and link to it using an affiliate link, signing up to programs like Amazon Associates or AWIN or just another brand's affiliate program, you can then earn money from every sale that is used via your code or your link. Also, a lot of social platforms are paying you to go live. For example, YouTube, if you go live on YouTube, you can earn money via the donations, the super chat function that YouTube now has. So your fans and your subscribers can actually pay you for going live and giving value to them. Same with Instagram Live. Now, Instagram for creators is paying creators to go live. So if I go live, I can get paid via Instagram and paid by my viewers by them buying badges. There are also some streaming apps like Bigo Live where you can get paid for going live for a certain amount of hours per month, and via the beans that people pay you for, which then converts into dollars. I know it sounds crazy, but you can get paid just from going online and being an influencer and talking to a camera. And the fifth and final business that you can start in 2021 is offering your skills to others. So for example, if you are a copywriter, you can offer your skills to people like me, business owners, bloggers, writers, authors. You can also offer if you are a graphic designer, if you are an accountant, or if you are a video editor, you can offer your services to people online and they can simply just pay you for your work that you do. That is something that you can easily do from home, using your skills and making money from having a lot of clients. You may start off with one, but once you have testimonials and reviews, you can build it up and build it up. And there are platforms like Fiverr and Upwork that you can actually sign up for and promote your services on there. But those are my top 5. I hope this was a helpful video, and please let me know in the comments down below if there are any on this list that you are thinking about trying, because I would love to hear more about your journey. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure that you click the like button, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.